Ugandan opposition leader Kizza Besigye, his aide Obaid Lutale and one of their lawyers will remain in detention until later this month when the High Court in Kampala will make its decision on a habeas corpus case filed by their lawyers. High Court Judge Douglas Karekona Singiza, he said he will not deliver his decision not later than February 25th, 2025. NTV's Laban Shaban reports.
Opposition figure Kizza Besigye will remain behind bars for about a week before a case seeking his release is determined by a High Court in Kampala. Besigye's lawyers want the court to issue an interim order for the release of the four-time presidential contender to seek better health care outside Luzira prison, where he has been detained since November last year. Justice Douglas Karekona Singiza expressed satisfaction that Dr. Besigye's body had been presented in court. However, he noted that the key issue is now the question of his unlawful detention. This follows the government's delay in implementing a January 31st Supreme Court ruling which deemed the General Court-Martial's trial of civilians unconstitutional. The ruling ordered that the relevant files be immediately transferred to ordinary courts with competent jurisdiction. Besigye was seeking to be released from incarceration hours after the Uganda Law Society wrote a protest note on Monday decrying the delayed hearing of the application by the High Court. But hours after the court decision, Besigye's wife, Winnie Byanyima, and another chief critic of Uganda's government, Robert Kyagulanyi, commonly known as Bobby Wine, described his continued detention and the judge's order as political persecution. Besigye's health has been deteriorating, reportedly due to a prolonged hunger strike. On Sunday, he was taken to a private clinic in Bugolobi for medical tests and later taken back to jail. Besigye's case is closely monitored both in the region and by Ugandans who are anxious about political developments ahead of next year's presidential election. While President Yoweri Museveni is expected to seek re-election, some observers speculate he may step aside in favor of his son Muhoozi Kainerugaba in a potential peaceful coup. Laban Shaban, NTV.
All that report by Laban.